In this video, we shall be taking a look at factors. We begin with the definition of factors, then the number of factors of a given number. That is the count. How many factors does a given number have? How do we tell the number of factors of a given number? Then we look at how to find the factors of numbers. So let's begin with the definition of factors. The factors of a given number are those numbers that can divide the number completely or exactly without leaving a remainder. So the factors of any given number are those numbers that can divide the given number completely or exactly without leaving any remainder. So how do we tell the number of factors a given number has? So let's say we have this question. Find the factors of 72. So to tell the number of factors 72 have, we will express for 72 as the product of its prime factors. So we have this table with two columns that will begin to divide 72 by prime factors, starting with the lowest prime factor. So we have 2. 2 in 72 gives 36. 2 goes into 36, we have 18. 2 in 18 gives 9. 2 cannot completely divide 9, so we move to the next number, 3. 3 in 9, 3 times. 3 in 3, 1 time. So 72 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And in index form or index notation, we can write this as 2 to the third power times 3 to the second power. Now for us to know how many factors 72 have, we just simply need to add 1 to the exponent of the product of its prime factors. This means that we add 1 to 3, and we also add 1 to 2, and then we find their product. So 3 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, and 2 plus 1 is 3. And 4 multiplied by 3 gives 12. So this tells us that 72 has 12 factors. 72 has 12 factors. So now, how do we get these factors? We want to find the factors of 72. So we look at this table. The right hand side of the table, we have 36, 18, 9, 3, and 1. We can write all of these one time. So let us write out the factors of 72. You know, the factors of any whole number always begin with 1 and ends with the number itself. So we start with 1, but they always come in pairs. So when we start with 1, so 1 multiplied by what number will give us 72. So this will be 1 multiplied by 72. Let me put this in parentheses. Then the next number, searching from this table now, is 2. So we have 2 on this table. On the left hand side, that's this side. So 2 multiplied by what number? Let us say we are picking this 2. So definitely it's going to be 2 multiplied by the remaining numbers here. So 2 multiplied by 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3, 12, 12 times 3, 36. Next number, we have 3 on this side, so we pick 3. So 3 multiplied by what number? It's going to be 3 multiplied by, when we isolate this 3, we'll have 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 times 2 gives 8. 8 times 3, 24. Then can we have 4? Yes, because when we combine this and this, it gives us 4. So we have 4. 4 multiplied by, since the combination of these two gives 4, then we have to multiply by 2 times 3 times 3. So 2 times 3 times 3 gives 18. Then the next that we can get from the left hand side of this table is, can we get 5? No. Is there any possibility of 6? Yes. 2 multiplied by 3 gives 6. So 6, since we isolate these 2 and 3, to be 6 times 2 times 2 times 3. 6 times 12. Is there any possibility of 7? No. 8? Yes, because 2 times 2 times 2 gives 8. So we have 8. So what will be the combination? Since we have multiplied this 3, it's going to be multiplied by this 2. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. Any possibility of 9? Yes, but we have 9 multiplied by 8. So let us count. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 pairs. And since we know that we are expecting 12, that means we have all our factors ready. We just need to write them out the right way. So we say, therefore, the factors of 72 are, in ascending order now, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Then we'll continue from there. We have 9, then 12, 18, 24, 36, and 72. So 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, and 72. So these are the 12 factors of 72. I hope this helps. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and follow us for more. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.